Let's learn Java. Today, I will show you how to create JWT tokens with plain Java. My friend suggested that I look into this topic by providing me the web link that you see on screen. Author Deepak Mishra has done a good job explaining the concepts with pictures and sample code. Link in description. Create a Java project with Maven command line option. Then open this folder with IntelliJ Code Editor. I have been writing Java code since long back, always with a test case. My test case evolves into class file that does some related work. In this case, the test case called JWT test will change into JWT, which has methods encode, HMA SHA-256 and base64. And any data that is not reusable, such as the test case itself with the secret and other input values, will remain within the test case file. Here you see that the JWT token is made up of header, which is unencrypted, payload unencrypted, and signature encrypted. You can use jwt.io page to read the base64 contents of JWT. Here you can clearly see that the header and payload are not locked by a secret. You only have to provide a secret to verify the payload contents are not modified by a bad actor. I have used Lombok library to create logger for my test class. Log4j2 is the library used for logging. To work with JSON, I have used a library from Google. We see the world by standing on the shoulders of giants. Libraries and open source code to the rescue of programmers. As always, you can get the source code that I demo in my YouTube videos from my GitHub repository. Link in description. Apache is my favorite community for open source tools and libraries. What do you prefer? Reply in comments.